Good evening, students. Let's read some important concepts related to Chapter 1 Civics, Class 10 Power Sharing. The first concept is majoritarianism. What exactly is this majoritarianism? So, this is a belief that the majority community should be able to rule a country in whichever way it wants by disregarding the wishes and needs of the minority. As we have seen in the Belgium, majority and the minority. Same we have seen in Sri Lanka also, minority and majority. So it's a notion that majority people can do anything through which they are able to rule a country by disrespecting or disregarding the wishes and needs of the minority. That means majority will be able to suppress the minority. This is the notion which is termed as majoritarianism. Next, we have coalition government. So, this means that when two or more parties form an alliance to contest elections and on winning form a government, then it is known as coalition government. So, there clear majority is not able to be gained. So, two parties form an alliance together and then they contest elections, and then after winning the elections they form a government, and that particular government, because it is formed out of an alliance, so it is called as an coalition government. Next, we have seen that power sharing can be done in many forms. In that, the two important forms are there: horizontal distribution of power and vertical distribution of power. So what is horizontal distribution of power? When power is shared among different organs of the government. As we know that there are three organs of the government: legislative, executive and judiciary. When the power is shared among these different organs of the government, then it is called as horizontal distribution of power. And when power is shared among different levels of the government, that is the central government and the state government, then it is called as vertical distribution of power. So different organs horizontal, different levels vertical. And supporting majority community, the idea or the notion is majoritarianism, and forming an alliance of two or more parties to win an election and then forming a particular government is known as coalition government. So these are some important terms of chapter first of civics, power sharing.